Ladies and gentlemen, is it finally time? Are we finally here? Is it finally happening? I mean, things are looking pretty good today for Bitcoin and the crypto market. Bitcoin dominance, I mean, look, the moment we're really waiting for, right, is for Bitcoin dominance to collapse and for us to get an alt season. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is playing around at this retracement level. Let's hope we can get a solid rejection here as Bitcoin goes and breaks into new all-time highs. ETH looking good, man. We're hoping we get a big break for ETH from this range and it just starts sending. And that'll be very, very positive for the rest of the altcoin market. XRP off of a little double bottom here, bouncing up, taking out this high. Still nothing crazy. There's nothing to get excited about on XRP until we break this high at 265. Until then, it's all noise, it's all chop. But things are looking good with the move that we're getting today across the board. Look, just a few days ago, I tweeted this out. I said, imagine when we had that crazy narrative going on with Trump and Elon. Imagine the final fear narrative completely out of left field, something super random, right before a euphoric parabolic blow off top for the cycle. And I mean, looking from right here to the arrow I drew, like, it's looking pretty good so far. Again, we don't know for certain if we're in the moment, but this could be the start of the moment. We had good news. Trump had a meeting with China, assuming about the tariffs. Apparently it went well. Apparently he and Elon are making up. We got more info coming this month from the Fed and whether they're going to cut rates or not. Another Fed meeting. The dominoes can keep falling. We could be living in the moment here really soon. The final wave for XRP starts now. I'm just going to go through some bull posts here. Turn it up. XRP ETF decision is set for the 17th of June, just a few days away. XRP Golden Cross, millionaires will be made in the next 1 to 2 months. And here, look, I want to pull up something else interesting, right? Let's go back in time a bit here and take this fractal from right here. And let's just look at the, elapsed amount of time. We're getting pretty dang close to when this thing would want to start to move again. Maybe we have till the end of the month before, XRP takes off. But then remember, when XRP does take off, it moves extremely fast. Even if I were to line the high up there and, a little bit conservative, and we were to do the same move we did in 2017, that takes us to $20. Now, I'm not betting on $20, but I've been saying $8 to $10 for sure, 100% this year, in my opinion. And I think, once it turns on, once XRP turns on, it goes, and it's going to go really, really fast. And when it does, you want to be positioned beforehand, right? Double-digit XRP coming, potentially $27 in the coming months. Showing here from Eggrad Crypto. You can pause and read all that if you want. I'm just going to show you the chart. A beautiful breakout coming, most likely. Cobb, send it with haste. TechDev, in the past 2 months, 8 days have been responsible for 99% of the move from 75K to 110. The other 52 days were chop. This is how it's always been and how it will continue to go. The legs will get even steeper. Missing those 8 days is risky. Time in the market greater than timing the market. Here from BCB, it's awesome to see that Bitcoin maxis advertise XRP more than any ecosystem. The number of people brainwashed to one asset is limited, and the number of critical thinkers is vast. Maybe I should look into this XRP thing, because this guy making a stupid comment saying XRP is something that lowers testosterone. Okay, buddy. Let's go to a crypto fight week. I'm down. I've been waiting. I've been training. I want to fight. Let's do it. Here from Cobb. XRP holders, December 2025. Stacking the cash, man. Ocean. Onboarding the next wave of XRPL users via Joey Wallet. Easy onboarding. for new devs and products. You're not bullish enough on the XRPL. You're not bullish enough for what happens next. And I agree, Joey Wallet is on the horizon. I just made a video about that. It's live on the Google Play Store. We're waiting for it to go live on the Apple Store. And I posted here, right? I don't know what that's doing. Can we? There we go. Last call for XRP meme coins. Because best believe that when this goes on its run to $8 to $10, the meme coins on XRP are going to go absolutely crazy. And here is a quick little list. There's more. This is a little outdated, right? May 15th. Things change fast in the meme coin space. But these are all good ones to look into, in my opinion. And yeah, if you're interested, link to First Ledger to trade is in the description. Check it out. But guys, fingers crossed, knock on wood. Let's hope that this is the moment we've been waiting for. So keep it short, keep it sweet. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, repost, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.